Alright, hey guys, welcome to Browedit tutorial number 20. Here we're going to be talking about how can we manipulate the shadows on a map without actually having to redo all the light maps. And this can work extremely well for, let's say, gravity maps, where you don't know the light combination and their intensities and their locations and that sort of thing. So let me give you an example. If I opened up Okay, so if I opened up Ludi, right, you can see that right here, and let's just say I wanted to remove the shadow casting off of the main Christmas tree in the center of the map. Just that shadow right there, without having to redo all the lighting. That is completely doable. And how do we do this? We export the shadow lightmap image file, which is a PNG file, and on there it actually has a sort of pattern that will project the shadows onto the map. So how do we do this? We go to Tools, Lightmaps, Export. So just do Tools, Lightmap, Export. Simple enough. If it says Include Walls, hit OK, and this is just gonna that's the wrong location where it's extracting to, but and it'll extract two different PNGs. But anyways, the point is this: it should extract two different PNG files, the color table and the shadow table. We're only going to be working with the shadow table. So if I just minimize that, and I'll just open up this. So this is what it'll look like. If I open up this particular image, you will see this sort of, all these, it's like a grayscale image of all the shadows on the map, right? And if I went to the next image, you'll see the color table. So this is all like, of course, your colors that decorate the map, the pinkish look, all the lights, the torches, all that stuff is all in the color table. But we're not going to touch this. We're only focusing on this. So if I go to the before I did any editing on the map itself, it should look like this. So you should see, if I zoom in right here, there's your shadow casting off of your Christmas tree, right at the center. And how would you edit this particular file? Well, you can use Photoshop, GIMP, Paint, whatever you feel comfortable with, right? So I use Paint because I'm very retro like that. And in a matter of, I don't know, 2 minutes max, that image went from that to this. So you can see how the shadow is now gone. All I did was just took the white values, as you can see all the white colors, and I just replaced that over the shadow colored areas that would represent the tree. And once you're done that, do not rename the file, just save it, as you can see, just like that. And then all I have to do now is just go back to Browedit, and then go to Tools, go to Lightmaps, Import. And this, at the moment, only imports the shadow table. I'm not sure why it doesn't import the color table, but apparently it's just the shadow table. So, if you import that actual lightmap table, which should be number 1, I think. Lightmap 1, that's right. xmis.lightmap1. It should actually change all the lighting look. The whole lighting look should change on the spot. And that should look something like this. So there it is. So you can see the shadow is completely gone there. Now this was a very quick job, so you still might see some remnants of little shadow freckles here and there, but it's exactly what you're looking for. So all the shadows are casting off every other object except the tree. So again, if you want to do something very quick on a gravity map, let's say you don't like the shadows there, you want to edit something, that's exactly what you would do. So it's simple like that, without having to sacrifice all that extra recalculation work. So yeah, that's exactly how you export a shadow lightmap table image file, edit it, and then re-import it back into Browedit so that your new shadows are now representing in your map. And that's it. Stay tuned for the next Browedit tutorial, and I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this. See you guys later.